Hello, it is Friday, September 1st, and I am filming on my phone, and as in me, am doing a vlog. So, Monday is my birthday, and tomorrow, which is Saturday, we are going to the Ren Faire, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of film my weekend. And today is also my last day of work. Crazy. But I got my IPSY package in yesterday, so I want to share that in the vlog because I don't think I'm going to do a standalone video on that yet. And I got some new books because I have a problem and I can't not buy books. This one I got last week at Barnes & Noble because I really want to read the series. And if you don't tell my husband, this is on Kindle Unlimited, so I didn't need to buy the physical copy. But I technically started reading the third book and loved it and then realized it was part of a series. So I stopped reading that. And these three I got at Target just now because we had to run to get some sunscreen for the Ren Faire. So I have no idea anything about the story. This is Empire of the Vampire. Target was getting their book section all changed up a bit. It's kind of cool looking. It's a taller book than what I got, and it's like interspersed with like graphics. It's cool. This I have gotten ads about all over. This is Assistant to the Villain. I love the red edge. I just love that. I don't know too much about this book because I do believe it's brand new. Maybe, I don't know. The way that it's in sponsored post, I'm assuming that it's new. Very interested in that. And I got the second book in this series. This is Electric Idol from Katie Robert. This is after Neon Gods, and this takes place in Olympus with Psyche, I think that's how you pronounce the name, and Aphrodite's son, Eros. But anyway, let's get into IPSY. I have no idea what the theme is or anything, so we're gonna figure that out. I totally opened that upside down. Okay, this is the bag. Cute. I don't really like this material. It's kind of like a, I don't know what it is, but it reminds me of summer toys, like from my childhood. And we got some goodies. Got a little skincare product. I don't know this brand, Earth Harbor. And we got a Hey Honey mask, a Koki gel liner. Ooh, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I love this stuff. And then a Benefit Professional Setting Spray. Interesting. I'm sure the email I got said what the theme was, but I don't remember ever getting it. First up is from Dermalactives. It's a body lotion. Ooh, Tarte Man-Eater Waterproof Mascara. This would probably come in handy tomorrow because it's going to be like 92 degrees at the Bristol Renaissance Fair. Oh, a Keys lip balm. I haven't tried anything from Keys. And this will be my first Danessa Myricks product. It's an Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil, and it's in the shade Lilac Quartz. Cute. And the last item is a palette from Laura Geller. Have I used Laura Geller before? I feel like I have. That's the shades in there. Can I open this? And something came broken, of course. That is what that inside looks like. But okay, that is the IPSY portion. It is now almost 3:40 and I have to leave for work because I work 4 to 9 today for my last shift ever at my retail job. So I might catch back up tonight. If not, I will start the video bright and early tomorrow morning. Good morning. It is now Saturday and I am getting ready to go to the fair. I am not obviously dressing up for the fair. I don't know. It's gonna be really hot and I just want to be comfortable, and yeah, so I'm gonna be just getting ready. I'm not gonna do a ton of makeup, just very light makeup, and I'm gonna be focusing on SPF because I do not want to have a sunburn. So I'm just going to put on a video and do my makeup, and I never know where to look when I'm on my phone. Here. That's weird. Maybe? I don't know.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had seen.
Okay, I think this is as good as it's going to get. I'm probably not going to wear a necklace just because in case I do get a sunburn, I don't want a necklace burn. But I will probably pick out a pair of earrings, and I'll probably just end up throwing my hair out and have my sunglasses and deal with it that way. But yeah, I will finish getting ready and then we'll be getting on the road in like 30 minutes. Hi, I did not get many videos at the fair because it was really hot, really crowded, and we were just kind of taking it all in. It was interesting. So I'll throw up some of the clips that I have now. It was about an hour drive. It's literally like once you cross the Illinois border, it's like 1 minute into Wisconsin. It's barely Wisconsin. The place was much bigger than I thought, like much bigger. But there's a lot of cool like little shops and everything. Everything was so expensive. As hot as it was, my makeup held up. Shocker. I don't think I have a burn. I'm waiting to jump in the shower because I have so much sunscreen on me. It's horrible. But yeah, we had fun. I had fun. I didn't get any souvenirs because everything was very expensive. The only thing I've thought about getting was one of those the dragon things, and then in one of the shops had a Baphomet statue. I thought about getting that, but everything was super expensive. Like super expensive. My husband's in the shower. I'm gonna hop in the shower when he's done, and then we're getting food because we didn't really buy anything to eat there besides some beignets, but they were definitely not up to the standard of what you can get at Cafe Du Monde in New Orleans. If you want to try beignets and have them taste good, you gotta go to New Orleans.
That'd be dangerous if we were too close.
A little bit. Look at the bat. Look at this one. That's kind of terrifying. Oh, it's the babies. want to say anything about books? He's so cute. Hello, it's later in the afternoon. It is 5 o'clock now, and we went out looking at like Halloween stuff. So we went to Spirits, which those clips are probably already up, and then went to Ulta. They didn't have the Half Magic Beauty at the Ulta I went to, so I just got some other things, which I'll show you right now. First, I finally found Squirtle at Target, so I have all 4 original starters, even though Pikachu's not a starter. So now I have all 4. I love them. These are gonna go on my bag. Anyway, so I went to Ulta. I only got 4 things, and I got some more Punky Off because I'm gonna be stripping the darkness out of my hair and going orange, like my natural orange. And then I got the Glamnetic Nail Brush Glue. This is my favorite nail. What am I trying to say? This is my favorite nail glue that I've tried. And then I ended up getting one heavy metal glitter liner in the shade Studio, which is a purple, and that's the one my husband picked out. She's interested in what everything is. And then you saw the Halloween nails that I got, which I'm not gonna be doing my nails until I do my hair. And yeah, so yeah, it's about 5 o'clock. Tomorrow is actually my birthday. Don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe laundry. Maybe go to the bookstore, but we'll see. But yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do tonight. Probably just relax, might read a little bit, and then go from there. All right, so change of plans for tonight. My husband feels really sick, so I had to run to Walgreens to get NyQuil because we have DayQuil. And I also got a COVID test just to make sure that he doesn't have COVID. We've been lucky, we haven't had COVID at all through all of this. And I know I'm not really in camera, but we haven't had COVID. And I know my dad passed away with COVID, but we've both been vaccinated just once. We've never went back for a second dose, which we probably should. And I don't think it's COVID, but we just want to rule it out. I have a cough, but I always have a slight cough. It's just who I am, and hopefully everything's fine. Hopefully. I know you can't see anything, but hopefully everything's fine. Alright, so it is officially my birthday. It's like 7 in the morning. I'm gonna end my vlog now because my husband did test positive for COVID, and very rude, and we're separated. He's in the bedroom, I'm on the couch. So yeah, didn't expect my birthday to go this way, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for what it was, and I'm just gonna spend the week taking care of my husband, and hopefully I don't get COVID either, so it's fun. It's fun. But yeah, thanks for watching.